yeah, so we're gonna show you some quirky stuff in Iowa. Be right back.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no, 'cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true, no matter where I go, I'm coming home to you.
Hey, you guys. Guess we should have sat up there together. Okay, there we go. Okay, and that's just 10 miles outside of Des Moines. Okay, here we come, Iowa. Okay, we'll get to the next stop here. Okay, we are up to, you guys can see that sign. This is Coon Rapids, Iowa. We are on the east side of Coon Rapids on Highway 141, and this is called Sculpture Park. Just driving by here, and we both looked over and like, whoa, we got to stop here. So this is all right. We got some bicycles here. Nice little pond. There's some stuff here on the other side. I just thought it's like a little merry-go-round. This tractor here. What's that say on the tractor? Oh, I see. Okay, this one says, "Do not climb on the sculpture." Oh, this. Those are golf clubs. And it turns. Yeah, that's it. 5-iron, yeah, okay. Golf clubs up there. Well, this is really nice. Little rocking chairs. And it is okay to climb on this, but I don't need to climb on it. And I'll bet you that spins. Looks like tractor seats. It's got tractor seats. And then like a little, what do you call that on the top there? Not a router, but anyway, maybe I'll think of it. I'll put it in the description if I think of it, or on the screen. Interesting stuff here. Man, when you're driving and when you're traveling, take your time. And if you see something quirky, stop and look at it. Let's see what this says on this sign here. Okay. They got all kinds of information here. Looks like Guthrie County, Iowa has it going on. Can briefly look here, but area destinations. Just kind of a, okay, here's Coon Rapids, and we are about right here, I guess. The last glacier stopped here. Glad you did too. Historical Village, Springbrook State Park. tree in the middle of the road, so big now that if a tractor trailer hit it, the tree would win. All right, yeah. I'm gonna keep showing you guys the rest of this park. I'll look at this stuff later on the video. Okay, so sponsored. Good job, Guthrie County, showing all the parks and recreation areas. Don't worry, I'll get back to the sculptures here. Raccoon River Savannah Bird Conservation Area, trail system. And this is Coon Rapids. Got some noisy trucks back here. Sponsors and stores and stuff. Cool. All right, let's go back to sculptures. I have no idea. I guess we can look. The Dancers by Zach Bauman in 2010. Does that look like dancers? Maybe. Okay, now this is kind of cool. You guys, can you see the face in there? I wonder how many people stop here. I'll bet you not too many, but they should. You should. See the face? Looks like we can walk inside the face. Wow. All right. And we have an apparent dinosaur here with okay, chain. Oh, I can't. Auger, that's what I'm trying to think of. Auger, some kind of blade there. Oh, look at these. For my mechanic guys and gals, oil pan, pitchfork. And there's a bug. Grasshopper. Let's run over here quick. Oh, that's a plow or a disc or whatever. No title to that. I don't know. This looks kind of interesting. Yeah, I don't think you should walk on that. It looks like some, I'm guessing probably kids tried to walk on that. What are those? It says do not climb on sculpture, but apparently they look like sprockets, but no, they're break like they're plastic. I don't know what that is. So, yeah. All right. Quirky little stop in Coon Rapids, Iowa. Who would have thought? All right, on to the next stop.